Hello everyone. In touch GURU.Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the company. If necessary, you can pause the video. You can study each company indicator more closely. Now let's compare the main indicators of the organization Upstart Holdings Inc, ticker UPST. This review is based on information as of June 23, 2025. According to classification GURU.Markets, company Upstart Holdings Inc belongs to the subcategory Consumer Lending. 24 companies take part in the comparison. We will consider the decisions made at the end of this video. The overall result for the company is as follows: minus 8.5 out of 10 points. Average result for the subcategory, 0.6 points. If you look at it from a very broad perspective, within the framework of the entire stock market in general, we can note that the average rating for the entire market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a minus rating, 8.5 points for the company Upstart Holdings Inc. By comparing the price movement of the company's shares Upstart Holdings Incorporated and subcategory companies, we see that over 12 months the company's shares Upstart Holdings Inc showed a dynamics of 159.1%. Against price changes in the subcategory, 140%. Market capitalization of the company Upstart Holdings Inc valued at $5.52 billion. And the market capitalization of the subcategory is $58 billion. The company's book value is $0.67 billion. With a balance sheet capitalization of $33 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. Comparing the shares of market and book value, we see the following. Occupied share Upstart Holdings Incorporated in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 9.549%. The book value is 2.019%. Evaluation of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company under analysis has debt obligations of $1.45 billion. Financial liabilities to balance sheet capitalization amount to 215% of capital. The company's debt level assessment, very bad, minus 2 points. The company's market price to profit ratio is 0, with an average for the subcategory of 10.8. Evaluation of the company's stock price to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $66 million. Profits for the next 12 months are projected to be $215 million. Assessment of expected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 7.6. Average in subcategory 1.2. Evaluation of the company's market price to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $720 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of the indicators of projected future sales in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The sales margin is minus 9.2%, with an average for the subcategory of 11.2%. Marginality assessment in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, TALET, minus 0.5 points. The company's share in the subcategory by number of personnel is 1.952%. which is 389% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is equal to $4,626,000. And in the subcategory, there are $946,000. Evaluation of the company's market capital per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per employee of the company is minus $55,700. The average in the subcategory is $87,800. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The company's revenue share per employee is $605,000. In the subcategory, $786,000. Evaluation of the share of revenue per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions was 25.6%, with an average for the subcategory of 8.5%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 61% for the company Upstart Holdings Inc. Whereas for the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is approximately equal to 60%. The company's actual share price is approximately $58.02. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $58.69. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions previously made in a given season by the stock evaluation information and reference system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the company's share valuation Upstart Holdings Inc. Information and reference system of assessment GURU.Markets, the following decision is made. Open a sell trade at $58.01. The deal was opened due to the fact that the company has a rather low valuation. The organization's assessment was carried out on the basis of the assessment criteria, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 21.91. Stop loss is set at 94.11. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the deal will be closed automatically based on the results of the session on July 23, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker LX will become the main buy order. The video of the main deal has already been published on this channel. In case of closing of one of the orders, the main or balancing, the opposite order is closed at the last price. Thank you all for watching to the end and for using the help system from GURU.Markets.